of a sudden, my sister started having rashes, breakout, acne, dark spots. She was so worried. She was feeling really bad. She had to call me. Sis, what is going on with my face? Hey loves, welcome. In today's video, we'll be talking about face packs, face cream, everything you should know, the raw truth about it. So stick around and do not go anywhere at all. Alright, face packs, face cream promises to hydrate, to brighten your skin because it has active ingredients in it, leaving your skin looking so soft, subtle, flawless, radiant at a very affordable price. Face packs, face cream, the IS should be around 5,000. And that is if you're in Nigeria. If you're in UK, maybe probably £6,000, £7,000, £4,000. I don't know, but it is not that expensive. In fact, there are a lot of reviews about this particular face cream. But before we go to the review part, let's talk about the face cream itself. It has active ingredients, and that is the vitamin C. Vitamin C. Now, vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps to, give you that brightening look, even your skin tone, make your skin look so good, has anti-aging property. Vitamin C is something you need to incorporate in your skincare routine. Vitamin C would make your skin look so good, especially if you're someone that has been using vitamin C for a long period of time. You will get a positive, I repeat, a positive result with vitamin C. But when you're pairing it with anything, be very careful. If you're pairing a vitamin C serum with anything in your skincare routine, you want to be very, very careful. You want to watch it. You want to be careful. Careful. Always be safe. Always stay safe. Always know how to pair your skincare products together. Does that make sense? In your skincare routine. All right. Now it also has glycerin. Glycerin will help to hydrate your skin. That is where the hydration comes in. Glycerin helps to hydrate your skin. I said it in one of my videos that my mom then she usually uses glycerin, ordinary glycerin, not just the one that is an ingredient inside a product. Ordinary glycerin, she will rub it on her skin because she has dry skin. My mom is like that. She's someone that is keen about skincare. I think I got the vibe from my mom. Yeah. So my mom is like that. She's just an amazing woman who loves to take care of her skin. If my mom should have any little thing on her skin, she will call me, Dammy, the skincare expert. What's up? What's going on? By the way, I need to say this. Allow me, guys. I do skincare consultation at a very, very affordable price. DM me, drop a comment, ask me questions about it. I will answer you, all right? Okay, let's get to it. Knowing that this particular face pack, face cream has active ingredients like vitamin C and glycerin, you are probably thinking, if you have not used it before, you're like, oh my God, damn it, I need to get this particular face cream. In fact, it's called face pack. That means it's definitely going to give you that factual look, that plump look, that firm look, right? Now, my sister called me and then she's like, yo, what's going on? All of a sudden, started having rashes on her face, breakouts on her face, you know. She was feeling really sad. She was feeling really, really, really sad, really down, and she had to call me. I was like, babe, what is going on with my face? Why am I having breakouts? Is it because I bought this face cream? Her face was good before, guys. Her face was okay. Her face was alright. Then she said, like, jump on this particular face cream called Face Fact face cream. Mind you, this particular Face Fact face cream, I've seen a lot of good reviews about it. Because before she got it, she called me. She's like, can I buy this face cream? I'm like, oh, why not? You can give it a try out. We've seen a lot of good reviews about it. I am not a doctor that will tell you, oh, you can use it because the ingredient says it is amazing, it is good. No, because we all have different skin types. We all have this different skin types, different, you know, yeah, we all have different skin types. Your skin type might not be able to tolerate the active ingredient in a particular product. My own skin type might be able to tolerate it. Now, my sister jumped on this face cream and she was reacting to it. She was reacting to it and she had to stop. Now, currently, she's using another face cream that is really working for her. If you want me to share that good news, just send me a DM or drop a comment, right? Let's share the good news with somebody who wants to use the face cream. Her face now is fairer, lighter, you know, a little bit of rashes. I still have to use a particular stuff that I used for my rashes when I had it then. And now, to the glory of God, the rashes are reducing drastically, and my sister is happy. She's no longer sad anymore. Praise the Lord. All right, so yeah, she was able to fix that. But my point here is she used face mask face cream and she reacted to it. And this is a face cream that promises to give you 100%. This is a face cream that has gotten a lot of good reviews. These are some reviews from Amazon UK. This person said, love this product better than some expensive cream. Another person said, I have never used a different cream for my face. I always use the same cream for my body and face. I decided to try something new that wasn't going to break the bank. I read the reviews on this and they seem good, so I decided to give it a try. It's not greasy and makes my face feel nice. I can't really say much as I wasn't expecting so much. Another person said, it goes on the skin smoothly and makes my skin feel soft and smooth. Smells great and is good quality. And this person said, it damaged my skin. What I'm trying to say is that if you want to get this kind of product, or if you want to get any product at all, always endeavor to do a patch test. Now, some people will come to the comment section and say, okay, your sister got the fake face fat vitamin C face cream. This is the truth. She got the original, but our skin type cannot tolerate the active ingredients in it. Cannot tolerate this particular face cream. She can't use it. So in essence, some people can use it and feel so good. Some people might use it and feel really, really bad with their skin. So that is why you need to do a patch test first. You can always patch test products around your neck here. Please be patient. Don't be too in an hurry to use products on your skin. No, don't do that, sis. Don't do that. Whenever I want to review a product, if I have not used that product before, I go and read up. I do research. I see reviews. I make sure to watch a lot of reviews, see a lot of reviews. Sometimes I go to TikTok, but then the thing with that particular place is that some people just want to sell their products. If you see the backside, you will see their products they're selling. They just want to sell their products, so they might not tell you the truth, right? So I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Always patch test products around your neck before you use it on your face, especially your face, because your face is more sensitive than your body. Now, how do I identify the fake face facts from the original face facts? I don't really have like what I could show you because I went to their website, Face Facts website, and for some reason it wasn't just going. I'm like, what is going on? Why can't I access you guys' website? If Face Facts can hear me, why can't I access your website? Like, I need to access your website. You guys should also try to always show how you can identify, fake from the original, of our products. Do you get? It's always very, very, in fact, practically all beauty brands should always do that. I feel like they should always do that just to help their customers, because we cannot be buying expensive and buying products. Face fact is not that expensive. You cannot be buying products and at the end of the day it is fake and you just waste money like that. So I think they should always do that. But either ways, Face Fact website was not working. I don't know what is going on. So I could not really check some details about, that particular face cream or maybe how to identify the fake from the original. But what I would tell you guys is that if you want to buy Face Fact face cream, go to an authentic store. I'm not going to give you guys a plug. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that again because where I got my last cleanser from, the delivery guy that brought it gave it to me only for me to see that practically half of it is gone. It has poured on the bottom. I shared that experience in my last video and I was really, really offended. I reached out to them, they did not answer me. So I'm very, 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 very angry with them right now. I'm not going to share my plug with you guys. I'm sorry, but I cannot because I don't want you guys to have that experience and come and tell me, damn Lola, see what happened to me, blah, 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 blah. So please pardon me, guys. I love you guys so much and I want the best for you. Just look for an authentic store to buy your skincare products from. Authentic store, guys. Authentic store. Very, very important. Very, very important. So you don't, end up having reactions on your face, and do a patch test. And don't forget to use your sunscreen. Alright, come to the end of today's video. That's all I have for you guys for now. Many more are to come. Don't forget to please subscribe to my channel, like my video, turn on post notification, and share this video to somebody that might need it. Share as much as you can. I love you guys. See ya. Bye bye.